In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to expertly rotate text in your design software, which is a simple yet powerful tool for creating dynamic visual effects. Whether you're working on a graphic design project, editing a presentation, or just having fun with some creative lettering, mastering this technique will enhance your skills and creativity. First things first, you need to have your text object ready in the workspace. Make sure the text is active and selected on your artboard. This will ensure that all the actions you take are applied to the correct element. If you're unsure, just click on your text to highlight it. This step is crucial because any rotations or transformations need to be done specifically to the object you intend to modify. Next, we'll move on to the Rotate tool. You can access this tool quickly and efficiently by using the shortcut key R on your keyboard. This little trick can save you precious time and streamline your workflow, especially if you find yourself frequently working with rotations in your design process. Now, with the Rotate tool activated, you'll notice that your cursor changes to indicate the tool's function. Once the tool is selected, take a moment to consider how you want your text to pivot. You have the option to choose the rotation pivot point, which is essentially the spot around which your text will spin. By default, this point is usually set at the center of your object, but by clicking on any part of your workspace, you can change this pivot. This flexibility allows you to rotate around various points, giving you creative control over how your design appears. Experimenting with different pivot points can lead to surprising and engaging outcomes. After you've set your desired pivot, it's time to execute the rotation. Simply click and hold your mouse button while dragging in the direction you want your text to rotate. As you do so, you'll see your text object spin around the chosen pivot point in real time. Take your time to find that perfect angle that suits your creative vision. Alternatively, for those who prefer precision and exactness, there's another method. You can double-click on the Rotate tool icon itself. This action brings up a dialog box where you're given the option to input an exact angle for rotation. This feature is incredibly useful when you require pinpoint accuracy or when you're working on projects that demand specific measurements. By understanding these simple yet effective techniques, you're expanding your toolkit and ability to create more compelling designs that capture attention and convey your message with impact. Keep practicing, and your efficiency and artistry with text manipulation will surely grow.